What's up, team? It's Tiarrea B naturally, and in today's video I am so excited to be using the Tymo straightener brush. And so we're gonna jump right into it because I spent all night washing my hair, conditioning, blow drying, and prepping for this moment right here. So my hair is just kind of clipped back. I did flat twist last night. Just gonna unravel these just like that. Brought some heat protectant with me, so I think I'm just gonna spray this on the ends, all over rather. Use my brush to kind of come through. Okay. This is how we're looking. My hair is thin, so might not be the best background, but we'll make it do what it needs to do. Okay, so I did an unboxing on this, but this is the packaging. This is the Tymo Ring Hair Straightening Comb. And let's get into what's inside. So here's the straightener here. A glove. Ooh, a little detangler brush. A manual, a card, and 2 clips. So let's go ahead and work with these clips. So I think I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into 4 sections. I have this top section. My clip here. Okay, here's another section. Let's try their clips. Ooh, they're nice and sturdy. Okay. So that leaves the back for us to work with. Clip it up here. Okay, that works. All right, so all we got left is this one here. Okay, let's get into the straightener. Okay, I got the pink one. I think it's really pretty and it feels very, very sturdy. Got the swivel cord here. Couple of buttons. It should take about 30 seconds to heat up, so let's plug it up. All right, she's plugged up. There's a little blue dot there. It's not digital, so I don't know how we would tell what heat setting is on. So let me look at the hole here. It's an indicator that it's on. The heat settings are kind of listed here. So this blinking one just tells you that it's plugged up, right? And then you have to hit the power button to get your dots. And so to tell what heat level you're on, you have to look at this. So the lowest one would be 266 Fahrenheit. The next one would be 302. The next one would be 338. The next one is 374. And then the highest one is 410. So it says 374 is for normal or slightly curly hair. And then 410 is for thick, curly, and wavy hair. So I think we're going to start at 374 just to see how this thing goes. And then we'll jump up to 410 if needed. Seems to be getting hot. The plates are, but not the back part yet. Go ahead and get my glove ready. Never straightened my hair with the gloves, so this will be interesting. We go left hand with this one. I'm not smelling like a burning smell or anything, so that's good. Let's get some hair prepped. I like this glove. All right, let's just try. So we'll grab about, that might be too much. Let's grab a smaller section. Maybe about this much. Yeah, that's enough. I'm gonna use this clip to clip it up. Okay, your little detangler spray, just a tiny bit to make sure we're good on protecting. Got a mirror over here too, so I can see as well. Okay, y'all, we're gonna see. This is what it's looking like now. I don't know how I feel about this glove. Okay, I'm gonna try the glove. I like to be able to feel my hair, so I don't know. We're gonna see. Let's see what the glove does. So I watched a couple tutorials on this. The girls say you want to go over first. It's hot. Okay. Nervous, y'all. Hold on. Get it in there. Okay. And then go back under. Okay. Here we go. Moving. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're about to find out. Oh, I'm getting stuck. Oh. Oh. What? Okay, hold on. Okay, I got kinky ends, so hold on, let me see. But that looks pretty good. That was the first pass. My hair feels very soft. Okay, so I probably could have let it hit the ends a little more. You see how thick my end? Okay, so let me see, y'all. Hold on. Okay. Let me try to run it slowly over the ends. Is that better? Did we do it? I think we're doing something here. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. This time I'm not going to spray more heat protectant because that may have tried to revert my ends or something. So let's see. Okay, so this is on 375. I'm going to try it on the higher setting, the 410, and see what happens. Oops. Hold on, I just unplugged it. Okay, so we're in a higher setting now. Let's give it a whirl. Okay, so we got that, and then I'm gonna go back here. Go in. Pull it kind of taut. Give it some time to go through. Okay. Okay, y'all. I can use this to help. I know you shouldn't need the chase method, but I'm trying to see what's up with these ends. It looks good, huh? We're doing something. Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna do a few more and then I'm gonna come back when that section is done.
y'all, so here is the final look. I am actually having mixed thoughts about it because part of me really thought the straightener was doing its thing, and part of me still think it did. I mean, obviously my hair is a lot straighter than it was before, but it is very much so puffy and poofy, and I feel like it's just not given exactly what I was expecting. However, it could have been user error. I probably should have did it last night fresh after the blow dry instead of sleeping on my hair first. So that probably played a factor. And then it was also my first time using this tool, so I definitely could probably use a little practice in my method. But overall, I think it looks cute. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'm Tiarrea B, and I am out. Blessings!